Sarah from the blog She Holds Dearly, and I'm so excited to share with you my new course called Meals Made Easy. I've had a lot of requests to put this course together for people, and one of my friends is a good example of this. Her name is Nicole, and she recently confided in me that she hates cooking. Hates cooking. To which I replied, I wonder if you hate it because it feels chaotic and you feel pressure to feed everyone. When I feel that way, I hate cooking too. If I have time, ingredients, clean counters, a good recipe, and an audiobook or a child with me, it's totally different. The trick might be to set yourself up for success by getting all those pieces together easily. And that's what this course is about. How to get yourself set up for success easily. We have a family of 6 with 4 teenagers. And over the years, I've learned all kinds of ways to make food easier on me. In this course, I'm going to show you how to create a 1-month menu that you can use over and over again. How to get your family all on the same page with what is acceptable for meals. We're going to get rid of your cookbooks. And I show you some of my sample menus, including one that specifically deals with allergies, which I think is really important for a lot of people. So I show you what that looks like over a whole month with different needs with different people in the family. Then we're gonna move on and talk about how to shop once a month, and I give you customizable shopping lists for that. And then of course, we gotta talk about how to make your food last for the whole month so you can still eat by the end of the month. I share many practical ways to save money on your grocery bill. I review 3 different grocery delivery services. There's a glossary that shows how to preserve different food items different ways. And then we move on to kitchen organization and ways to minimize the mess. Lastly, we talk about packing food for vacations and lunches and what to do when you hit crisis mode. I packed all of this into a 90-minute course, and I hope you can join us so that you too can learn how meals can be made easy.